Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our topic of discussion is oxidation and reduction reactions. We will discuss oxidation and reduction one by one. There are two definitions of oxidation and reduction. The first definition is in terms of loss or gain or removal or addition of an atom, and the other is the loss or gain of an electron. So first of all, we see the definition of oxidation and reduction in terms of addition or removal of an atom. Oxidation is defined as the addition of oxygen and the removal of hydrogen during a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction in which oxidation occurs, the oxygen is added and the hydrogen is removed. This is known as oxidation. On the other hand, reduction is defined as the addition of hydrogen and the removal of oxygen during a chemical reaction. The reaction in which hydrogen is added and oxygen is removed is known as reduction reaction. Both processes takes place simultaneously in a reaction. Where there is oxidation, there is reduction. Collectively, they both are called as redox reaction. Let's see an example in which oxidation and reduction occurs. Zinc oxide react with the carbon to produce zinc metal and the carbon dioxide. Here zinc lose an oxygen atom and reduced form zinc metal, and oxygen is added to the carbon atom and it produces carbon dioxide, which is its oxidized form. Here is the reduction process in which oxygen is removed, and here is the oxidation process in which oxygen is added. Let's see another example in which hydrogen sulfide is oxidized and chlorine is reduced. Here hydrogen is removed from the sulfur, so sulfur is oxidized. Here is the oxidation process, and the hydrogen is added to the chlorine. Here chlorine is reduced. There is the reduction process, and here is the oxidation process. The chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction process are involved is known as oxidation reduction reaction or the redox reaction. They are collectively called as redox reactions. Let's see the oxidation and reduction in terms of gain and loss of electrons. Oxidation. Here we first discuss oxidation. The loss of electron by an atom or an ion is known as oxidation. Here zinc loses 2 electrons, so its oxidation occurs here, and iron loses 1 electron, Fe2 positive to form Fe3 positive, loses 1 electron. Here is oxidation. Further we will discuss reduction. The loss of electron by an atom is known as oxidation, and the gain of electron by an atom is known as reduction. Here we will further discuss the two examples of reduction process. The hydrogen ion gain 2 electrons to produce hydrogen gas. Here it's reduced. And the chlorine gas gains 2 electrons to produce 2 chloride ions. Here it is reduced. Overall redox reaction is zinc metal and 2 hydrogen atoms. Zinc loses 2 electrons and 2 hydrogen ions gain 2 electrons to produce hydrogen gas, and 2 zinc ions are produced. Overall summary of the oxidation and reduction are given as follows. Addition of oxygen is known as oxidation, removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation, and the loss of electron is known as oxidation. Here is the reduction. The removal of oxygen is known as reduction, the addition of hydrogen is known as reduction, and the gain of electron is known as reduction. Okay viewers, Allah Hafiz.